Today we will learn about tallest statue in the world. Let's read with me. But first we learn what is statue. A statue is a model of somebody or something, usually of a person or sometimes an animal. It is a sculpture. Several kinds of material can be used to make a statue. Example: stone, bronze, clay, or wood. Average man height is 5 feet 9 inches. Now let's see how tall these statues are from humans. Ashiku Daibutsu. The height of Ashiku Daibutsu is 330 feet and it is in Japan. Statue of Belief. The height of Statue of Belief is 348 feet and it is in India. Laikyan Setya. The height of Laikyan Setya is 380 feet and it is in Myanmar. Spring Temple Buddha. The height of Spring Temple Buddha is 420 feet and it is in China. Statue of Unity. The height of Statue of Unity is 597 feet and it is in India.